Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we've got an and other stories haul for you guys, and I'm in an hour on whether to even do a haul today because we haven't got a ton of stuff. It's like 6 pieces to get through, but then I thought, you know what, I know you guys like to see what I've been buying and I love another stories, so I'm happy to come on here and talk about them for 10 minutes. So yeah, I'll show you what I got. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe before you leave today because I put fashion content out every Sunday, and if you do want to come follow me on Instagram, I'll pop it on screen now and you can see how I style the items up over on there. But let's get started. Okay, so first up we're going to talk about this wrap dress that I got. I got this in a size Euro 36 I think, which is a UK 10, but obviously Another Stories does all their size in that way. So yeah, Euro 36, and this was £69. So I'll show you a little bit of a close-up and then I'll pop it on for you guys. So it's got like a really nice button up top here. It's got long sleeve arms, which I love because I feel like this is perfect for spring summer. So it's still like not going to be boiling, so you need your arms covered. But for some reason I always prefer to have my legs out and my arms covered, if that makes sense. But yeah, so I absolutely love this. Love the colour on it. Obviously love neutrals at the minute. I love that it's got a wrap because if you are a subscriber, you know I love anything with a wrap. Like wrap waist, wrap tie. Like if I can tie it, then I'm into it. So yeah, I can tie this here, which is good as well because you can tie it as tight as you want. So even though I got this in a 10, I did tie this quite tight, so it fits me all over. The length on this is absolutely perfect. It's a little bit difficult for me to show you the length, and I will pop it on for you guys to see. But I am 5'10". If you are new here, then I'm quite tall, so I sometimes struggle with the dresses from high street brands. But with this one, I was absolutely fine. So Another Stories are quite good with length, I find. Not so much on the trousers, but on the dresses and skirts, I find them fine. So I think this is like really nice for, I was thinking like day to night. Like you could wear this out in the day with some trainers and like a little cute clutch bag, or then you can dress it up in the evening. You can just chuck on some sandals and it can be worn either way, so it's quite versatile, and that's why I liked it. Obviously with Another Stories you do pay a little bit more than high street. I would say it's like a little bit higher, obviously £69 for a dress. I don't know, I guess it's quite similar to a lot of things, but I do feel like Another Stories is that premium quality, and I love shopping there because I find they have like quite unique pieces, so I don't mind paying a little bit extra for Another Stories because I absolutely love it. So next up we're going to talk about these white jeans, and now I've wanted white jeans for so long. I've literally been looking for them. I feel like it's been forever. I've been looking on ASOS. I bought some from Zara, I had to send them back, and I feel like I've just really wanted like a really nice pair of high-waisted white jeans, but I'm really struggling to get them for some reason. So I ordered these from Another Stories because I thought I'll give it a go. We'll see how it goes. Absolutely love the waist on them because I said high waist. They're really thick denim, which means there's not that much stretch in them, so that was making me a little bit unsure. The leg is okay, like it is a crop jean on me, and I don't think it's supposed to be. I can't remember what they were called, but they were £69 again, and I got a Euro 27 waist, which is one size bigger than I normally get because I just knew these weren't going to have much stretch in them. And you know what I'm like, I thought if I haven't got much stretch I'll have to go one size bigger than I normally do. But they're tiny, they're so small. Literally, like, I got them on my legs fine because they're not a skinny cut. They're quite like, I wouldn't say loose, but they're not skinny jeans. They're just like a, yeah, like a normal loose cut. And getting them over my bum and my waist was virtually impossible. Once I got them up, they were fine and they did up. But I don't know, they're just not that comfortable. But I just really need a pair of white jeans, so I'm like, do I keep them just because they are white jeans and I've been looking for them for so long, or do I send them back because they're not really that comfortable? So I don't know, I'm a little bit unsure on these. I do really like them though, but yeah, I might hold on to them for maybe a week or two to see if I can find anything else, and then if not, keep them, because I just feel like white jeans are perfect for summer, and there you can dress them up, you can dress them down, like there's so many ways you can wear them. Let me know what you guys think on them, and let's talk about the top I'm also wearing in that clip. So the top that I am wearing in that clip is this runched little one from, obviously I was going to say from Another Stories then, I don't know what's wrong with me today, I can't speak. But yeah, this one, it's like got runched detail, the arms are super cute, like I love this length arm, like it's not short, it's not long, it's like a mid length, and I think it's lush on, I think it's really flattering. I love the neckline, I love the feeling of it. It's like, you can hear it, can't you? It's like runched and like quite stiff, like a shirt material, but I think it really stays in shape that way, and that's what I like about it. I'm not sure about the bottom. I prefer this to if it was nothing, like at the bottom. I don't really like that it's fluffy at the bottom. Like, I tucked it in and it looked nicer for me, so maybe I could just wear this tucked in. I would prefer it if it was like that, but it has got this floaty bottom, which I think makes it slightly more or less versatile. Like, it's harder, more difficult to wear is what I was gonna say. So I got this in a size €36 again, and this was also £69. Now for me, I'm thinking, do I keep the dress and then maybe send this little one back, because obviously they are the same price, and I feel like the dress you can probably get a lot more way out of than the top. But I do love the top, it's super cute, isn't it? So I don't know, like, let me know what you guys think, but I do think this is really nice, and I think I can get a lot of way out of it. I think I could wear this to work as well in spring summer, and I always find really difficult to find work outfits in spring summer. I never know what to wear, and I feel like this would be a really good work one, because it is high neck, and I don't really like to wear anything low cut to work. And obviously the shoulders and the arms, I don't know, it's a cute thing, and I could get a lot of way out of it, but I just don't know with this one. I'm a little bit unsure. Same as the jeans really, but let's move on. Next up, we're going to talk about these little shorts. Now, I absolutely love these little shorts. Like, how cute are they? They give me Chanel vibes. I love the little I don't know why I can't speak today, but I think they're buttons, like, you know what I'm gonna say. Yeah, I just thought they were really cute. I love the colour on them. They're this really, really light, bright cream. I got them in a size €36. They're a bit big, like the sizing, honestly. They were £59, so a little bit cheaper than everything else, but I just think they're super versatile for summer. Again, I can wear them with like a shirt, a white shirt to work, I think, because they aren't too short. They are quite long for shorts. I could wear them with little flats. I could wear them with heels and dress them up with a blazer. I feel like there's so many ways you can wear these, so I'm definitely into them. And I think they're quite thick as well, so even if I wanted to wear them maybe later on in like September time, you can still get away with them, because they're like that thick material. So yeah, I absolutely love them. I think they're super cute, and there's so many ways I'm going to be able to wear them. Again, they're a dress down or dress up kind of style. I really like them. I think they're not really going to go out of fashion, so I absolutely love them little shorts. So next up, we are going to talk about this shirt that gives me massive like Jacquemus vibes. I hope I say that correctly. But I've been looking, basically I fell in love with this Jacquemus shirt on the Farfetch website, and I just didn't want to pay, like, I think it was like £280. I was like, oh, I don't know, for a shirt it's too much. Anyway, so I went, when I was on the Another Stories website, I saw this one. So it's this yellow shirt. It is cropped, it's long sleeved, and basically Jacquemus are doing this thing at the minute with all the ties. So it's like a cropped shirt and then they've got ties on it. And Another Stories have basically recreated it, like, thank you Another Stories, like you dream. So it's got a really nice neckline on this, and then it's cropped, and then you tie it. It's really difficult to show you and hold it up, but obviously when I pop it on you'll see it a lot better. But I love this. I also love the colour as well, because it's not, even though it's yellow, it's not like bright in your face. It's like this, it's darker, it's more neutrals vibes, like you can wear it with pretty much anything. And yeah, absolutely love this shirt. I got this in a size, hold on, €36 again, and this was £69. Little bit spenny for a shirt, like I will admit, it is a little bit expensive, but I just love it, and it's not as expensive as the Jacquemus one on the Farfetch website is my thinking. So really I'm saving money, I think. Do you know what I mean? I started telling Claudia anyway. But yeah, I absolutely love this shirt. Honestly, I think it's such a dream. I'm going to wear it with so many things. And yeah, the colour is just fab. I think it's really different. Like, I just think the quality's there. And yeah, absolutely love it. I've got one more top to show you guys before we go. And again, this was a really short haul today, but I just wanted to show you what I got. I know you like to see. I also bought this top this week from Zara, which I will also link below, because I love it. Like, it's so lush. It's got one sleeve, it's got this mesh detail, and we're not talking about Zara, but I'll also link that below that I'm wearing. And yeah, let me show you this one more top. So lastly, we have this cute little, it's like a neutrals vibe again. A lot of neutrals in this haul, but it's got this detail on the neck. Let me just show it up to you. So this is the neck detail, love it. Also got the same detail on the sleeves, which I think is so lush. It's very thick, I'm not saying it's going to be summer, this is probably going to be more spring. I think this would be the perfect top to do jeans and a cute top with. I popped it on with the shorts because I just love the outfit as a whole, but it's got like this detail in it so you can see your skin through this. And honestly, I just feel like it's so lush, it's so different. Like I haven't seen anything like this, but it is very like weighty, so you wouldn't probably be able to wear it come summer, but spring, summer, definitely a good vibe. I feel like obviously because we are outside a lot, this will probably keep you a little bit warmer than the other stuff like the shirts. This one was a little bit more expensive, I remember it being more. It was £89, which is a lot, I will say. Like it is quite expensive for a top. I do really love it. I'm like wondering how versatile it is, like how much I'll wear it, because obviously it is a little bit more expensive, so I am thinking that one through. I got it in a size Euro small, this one, and I do love it, and I sent it to my mother and she loved it as well. So I don't know, probably, I don't know, let me know what you think on this one, but I do think it's super cute. That is it for me today, guys. That was my and other stories haul. It was a very short video today. I hope you enjoyed it though. Let me know in the comment section if you did. Let me know what you want to see from me next, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then do so now, and I will see you guys next Sunday.